9 recommended species of serviceberry trees and shrubs. The Allegheny Serviceberry may form into multiple trunks and is one of the tallest Amelanchier species. If you prefer a small tree, prune it to create a central leader to serve as the main trunk. This species grows best in moist soils with proper drainage. Like many serviceberries, this species provides color interest throughout several seasons. In spring, it bears clusters of white flowers. During summer, the fruit begins to form, ultimately becoming bluish-black. In autumn, the leaves change to red, orange and yellow. This species is sometimes known as smooth serviceberry. The apple serviceberry is a cross between the downy serviceberry, Amelanchier arborea, and the Allegheny Serviceberry, Amelanchier laevis. You can prune it to assume a small tree form with one trunk, or leave it as a multi-stemmed shrub. The white blossoms are especially large on this hybrid. You can plant this as part of a drought-tolerant garden. Fall foliage colors are red and yellow. The Canadian serviceberry, sometimes known as shadblow serviceberry, is hardier overall than other species. Choose a location with moist soils that offer good drainage for best results. It will tolerate dry soil but may struggle if drought conditions are present. White, star-shaped flowers appear mid-April and bring butterflies and bees into your garden. This tree puts on a fall show with leaves that transform to orange, red, gold, or yellow. If you are looking for a serviceberry with large fruit, choose this species, also known as downy serviceberry. The leaves can be fuzzy when they first appear. It forms several trunks, so pruning to a central leader will be needed if you prefer the look of a tree. Common serviceberry tolerates pollution, making it suitable for urban landscapes. In the fall, leaves are yellow, red, or orange. It is unknown whether this is its own species or the result of a cross between other Amelanchier species. In native environments, this is a large understory shrub or small tree that is similar to Allegheny serviceberry, but with silky hairs on the young stems and leaves. Drooping clusters of white, star-shaped flowers appear in early spring before the leaves unfurl. The namesake dark purple, black berries appear in June. They can be used in jams. The leaves are finely toothed, up to 3 inches long, and turn orange-red in fall. The species name of sanguinea means blood red and is used because this shrub has red twigs. Another common name is red twig serviceberry. This characteristic can be used to distinguish it from other species of serviceberry. The white flowers are fragrant and appear early in spring. Some botanists classify this plant as a variation of roundleaf red twig serviceberry, giving it the official name of Amelanchier sanguinea var. Alnifolia. Whether regarded as its own species or a variation, the name of alnifolia lets you know that the leaves are similar to those found on alder Alnus species. In fact, the plant often is known by the common name alder-leaved serviceberry. This species tolerates cold temperatures well. In fact, there is even a variety available, Altiglow, that is able to grow in chilly zone 1. This small shrub, also known as dwarf garden serviceberry, is covered with clusters of white flowers in the spring. The fruit is a rich purplish-blue hue when mature. Ovalis means oval and refers to the shape of the leaves. For a dwarf variety, select pumila. Another variety that may be available is named edelweiss. Sometimes known as western serviceberry, this is one of the more drought-tolerant serviceberries. Spring brings white flowers. In summer, the fruit is formed and matures to purple-black. In the fall, the green leaves shift to shades of yellow. It serves as an important source of food for wildlife. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.